Another one. Float fishing with Keenan Christensen. Are you actually reeling in? Because sometimes if your drag is too loose, oh, it's right in close. Wow. Coming around the rock. I might have to give up bottom bouncing and put a float on. You guys are doing pretty good. Oh, that's nice. Maybe I should go get the net out of the back of the truck. Well, not for this one, but yeah, bring it in, and it looks awesome. In the mouth. Don't forget, if it wants to run again, you can let her go. I'll help you. My boots are waterproof, so. Wow. That's probably a keeper, don't you think?
I don't know what do you think?
Oh.
It's a fucking plywood in the water.
I think it's, well, we'll look at it. We'll get it out and look at it. And then, okay, I'm going to have to turn this off and then I'll get it up and then we'll take some pictures of it and see if you want to keep it or not.